low-carb protein pancake donuts. So this recipe is for pancake at pwede mo rin gawing donuts at hindi mo kailangan ng oven to make this. So for the egg whites, kung nakikita nyo, gumamit ako ng substitute. Instead of fresh egg whites, I used yung ating egg white protein powder, which may tutorial na ako dyan for everyone. Egg white, that's actually 1 tablespoon of egg white protein powder mixed with 1 tablespoon of water, 1:1. So mix all the dry ingredients and then we add the wet ingredients and then you can use your air fryer with the donut molds. Okay, so this is a bit watery because this is made of yogurt. So ang importante dito yung ating hulmahan o yung ating donut mold. So I used a silicone mold na nilagay natin sa ating air fryer. Pwede rin ito sa oven. And of course, gawin mo rin siyang pancake. Again, kailangan may pancake mold siya kasi watery siya or liquid siya. Hindi siya thick cake batter. Alright? So, enjoy and I hope that you make this. Pag-bake nito sa ating air fryer, I did 180 degrees Celsius for only 8 minutes. Okay, be careful lang na hindi siya ma-overbake or masunog. So, alamin mo ang iyong air fryer temp. I glazed my donuts with chocolate glaze. So, I used sugar-free chocolate chips by Keto Kusina. Nilagyan lang natin ng konting chips, ang microwavable bowl, and then konting coconut oil. And then, minelt natin to through the microwave. Sandali lang, mga 30 seconds increment, hanggang melted na ito at ito na ang pinang-glaze sa donuts. Even kids can enjoy this low-carb protein donuts at pwede mo rin i-glaze with yogurt and sweetener, pwede rin plain sweetener lang, pwede rin butter and cinnamon sweetener. So, I hope that you enjoy and make them happy low-carb baking.